Retirement. For years, we've been told it's the end of the road, the last stop, the moment you trade your work badge for a gold watch and a polite round of applause. But what if everything you've heard about retirement is wrong? What if, instead of the finish line, retirement is actually the starting line? The moment you finally get to design the life you want. At Real50Plus, we believe you are retired, but you are far from done. This is your time to step into the sunlight, to walk out of that office and into a world of new possibilities. Because after decades of building, striving, and providing, you've earned something more than rest. You've earned the freedom to choose what comes next. Think about it. In your 20s, your advantage was energy. In your 40s, it was ambition. But now, after 50, your greatest asset is wisdom. Wisdom is what shows you what works and what doesn't. It's what helps you pivot when life throws you a curveball. Wisdom is the new currency, and you have it in abundance. Being retired but not done means you finally get to move from obligation to purpose. Maybe you want to invest in real estate and build wealth for the next generation. Maybe you want to volunteer, to give back to your community in ways you never had time for before. Or maybe you want to dust off that dream project you put aside years ago and finally bring it to life. This is no longer about what you must do. It's about what you choose to do. History is full of people who proved it's never too late to start something new. Colonel Sanders launched KFC at 65. Grandma Moses picked up a paintbrush in her 70s. Ray Kroc turned a small burger stand into McDonald's in his 50s. They weren't finished. They were just beginning. And so are you. After 50, you have superpowers that only come with experience. You have clarity of priorities. You know what matters and what doesn't. You have resilience, the ability to bounce back and keep going no matter what. You have a powerful network of friends, colleagues, and family who support you. You have resourcefulness, the skill to find solutions and make things happen. And you have the rare gift of balancing patience with urgency. Knowing when to wait and when to act. Being not done doesn't mean chasing millions or fame. It means creating impact your way. Maybe it's buying your first rental property. Maybe it's mentoring your grandkids or someone just starting out. Maybe it's finally writing your story or starting that passion project you've always dreamed about. Big or small, what matters is that you own it. So how do you start rewriting your story today? First, reframe retirement. Call it your second act. This is your chance to do what matters most to you. Second, choose a legacy project, something that will make a difference beyond your own life. And third, find your community. Surround yourself with people who believe you're not done, who will cheer you on as you take your next steps. You didn't come this far to stop here. Retirement isn't the end of your book, it's the title page to your best chapter yet. You are retired, but you are not done. At Real50Plus, we believe your greatest season is still ahead. If you're ready to write your second act with purpose, wealth, and legacy, drop us a comment and join the Real50Plus community. Because together we're proving that life after 50 is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. If you found this lesson to be helpful, press the like button so that others like you can benefit from experiencing this content. Real50Plus also welcomes you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at real50plus.com for tons of free worksheets and guides to assist you throughout your real estate journey. At Real50Plus, we believe that your second act can be your best act. Let's experience it together.